Hello, guys, and welcome to a new episode of Good Bad Group. Today, we'll discuss about LinkedIn mastery and how we can unlock the power of LinkedIn for sales and marketing success. I have a couple of really good examples that I'm going to present to you today during this presentation, and also some real example and tools that you can directly use here after the video. So the goal really of this presentation is really like normally a 4 hour session. Of course, this is a YouTube video, so it's gonna be probably around 5 or 10 minutes. But normally I can do also consulting with your marketing or sales team during 4 hours if necessary. But basically, it's really to help you boost your presence on LinkedIn, both from like your employee standpoint and also from your company page point of view. And it will increase the brand awareness and hopefully boost the sales. So quick introduction. I will make it much shorter than 15 minutes. So first of all, welcome again to this channel, and please feel free to like, comment if you have any question during this video. I really want to also thanks all the current subscribers for pushing our content to new possibilities. Anyway, so here the goal is really to build a strong personal and company brand. It's important on LinkedIn that you have a great pictures, the headline, a summary. I will share also my LinkedIn profile in the description so you can take a look at it and also inspire yourself for your own profile. Good to have some good summary, work experience. Me, I use also ChatGPT to rewrite some of the summary and work experience I had also in the past to harmonize and to make sure everything like really stands out and looks professional. You can also activate the creator mode directly on your profile. I will probably do another video about that, but it's quite easy. If you go just on a profile, you should have the option. And also, I recommend to create a newsletter about like the industry or the things that you are involved, so that it can really help to push some good content to your followers or people that are connected with you. Also, in terms of like enhancing your company page, so we can also help the presence by just making sure the all the visuals are perfect, the profile picture, but also the landing, the cover picture, sorry. And you can also check it on web and mobile to make sure it fits really well on both type of screens. Company description, also feel free to use ChatGPT, showcase page, show some of your project or things you've done in the past. It can also help you to gain some credibility to potential customers and some other optimization. Yeah, so I believe it's really important to target the audience on LinkedIn based on like the type of profile, if they're in the management, directors. That's really important to know. But also, it's important to connect with the good decision makers, which can help to boost really your content across the platforms. You can also use the search. Search feature is quite powerful to connect with people or to see if we are already connected, and also by engaging with potential connection of people that you are already connected. And I also use to join other groups on LinkedIn that are active into some subjects, so then I can really connect with those people, quickly with the groups and have some context. So here, I really create different type of content. Polls work very well on LinkedIn. People like it, especially in groups. Also articles, posts, videos, and infographics. I put here 5%, but can depend on your sector and industry. I could, I was spending a lot of time for the polls, but I believe like the others are also really good. And you can craft all that directly on ChatGPT by having good prompts saying, hey, write me a LinkedIn poll or an article about my industry or the challenge that people are facing within my persona. That's the kind of thing you can ask directly to ChatGPT. And you can ask him also to add the hashtags, mention some potential references to create some context and credibility to your content. Also establish yourself as a really thought leader. So by sharing some news, insights, or trends, you can do it or not. That's up to you. I always like to share or repost content from some of my peers. So it helps also to give to the algorithm on LinkedIn some context about who I am, what I'm posting, and the kind of thing I'm doing. Also important to provide value to connection by sharing good content. So that's why I said like connect only with people that are in the same field or doing the same job like you. That's really important to keep a quality network. Your network is your net worth. So that's really important. And also like you can create some article or try just with ChatGPT or other tools available up there. But yeah, ChatGPT can do the work. So LinkedIn tools and automations. I really recommend to use Chrome. That's the best browser to do anything with sales, business development, and marketing. It's really easy to connect with a lot of different tools. I also recommend Apollo.io, which is a sales engagement platform. It's kind of a CRM, but you already have the contacts that you can reach out. So, which is really handy if you start from scratch, because you can already engage with some potential prospect and customers. We'll do a separate video for all of those tools and automation just after. But also in terms of like Podawa is great to gather likes, comments. It will make your account engage also with other relevant accounts, and you gather like coins or credits that you can use for your own to boost your own posts with likes and comments. So it's like a win-win app with other people looking to boost their engagements. Phantom Buster, Octopus, two great tools for LinkedIn automations to connect with the right people, send the good messages. Um, yeah, those two tools are really not nice to have, sorry, like must have, and take us probably 10, $15 a month for the both of it command. So it's quite a good deal. Also, Grammarly good for the checking of the grammar, especially if you're not native English speaker like me, or Calendly as well to schedule meetings and to make the things more smooth while doing business development or rescheduling meetings. ChatGPT, of course, that's one of the best tools out there to write emails, reply to emails, book meetings. So really spend some time to learning some prompt engineering. I believe it's also a great way to gain some value on the marketplace. Leveraging LinkedIn sales. So yeah, me, I don't use really the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, but you can use it. But I believe, as I said, if you connect just through LinkedIn normally with other people in the same field like you, it will create some engagement and you can already generate some leads directly through that. Sales Nav will help you to increase that reach, but I believe to start you don't need it. Also, it integrates very well LinkedIn with a lot of CRM or tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, etc. And also, like it will increase to have more higher responses as well. Yeah, quick Q&A. Feel free to drop some comments in the comment sections. I will be happy to reply to all of them here on the YouTube video. All right, thank you so much. And yeah, looking forward to your comments and happy to help you on LinkedIn, guys. You have normally my calendar directly available on my channel and also on my website. All right, cheers, bye bye.